Good morning, guys. I'm here at the $22 per night Castle Hotel in Iloilo. Now you're probably wondering, what does a $22 Castle Hotel look like? And is it a castle? These are the questions I'm going to answer for you today. So as you can see, we have a nice bed here, quite comfortable. Pillows are amazing. Does it look like a castle to you? Yeah, the wallpaper, it's vintage. I'm not sure whether it goes with this Greek looking blue and white color scheme. But they, oh, hello.
Hi.
What are you doing here?
Housekeeping.
Okay, well, so we're here on level 4 of the castle. That's the kind of view you got. Usually I'd take the elevator, but we're gonna go down the stairs. We're gonna check out the real castle vibes. You coming? She's a bit shy today. She is a bit shy.
I'm always shy.
She's always shy. So it's starting to look a little bit more castle now with the big spiral staircase, the chandelier, and we have a little statue of Jesus. Jesus, forgive me for my sins. I know I have stolen your style. I just really liked it. Amen. So this building next door is, in fact, the original mansion, which was someone's house, and now it's been converted into little shops like beautician, dental surgery, and all that. And here is the huge staircase. What if I get like a thumbnail here and I'm just like, just chilling, you know? Like, this is the castle. What do you think they use this for? Hold on. This doesn't very much look like what a mansion should look like. Oh, hello, sorry. Is this part of the hotel? We have just found the king's throne. Right here. King's throne. Oh, the chair doesn't spin. But yes, this is where the king of Iloilo once sat. And his mission was to provide, protect, and security to our clients. Thank you for letting us in. Thank you. Oh, God. The kings were not as tall as me back in the day. What else is up here? Dental clinic. Looking good, guys. Thank you. These are the castle maintenance guys. Doing a great job.
Yes.
And yeah, it's even got a pool. Should we take them down to the pool? Take you guys down to the pool area. Hey buddy, how are you?
Oh, very good, thank you. Aussie.
Are you? Oh, Aussie. Here we go. You can't avoid the Aussies, can you?
No, you cannot.
So this is the hotel pool. How would you say it is? Nice and warm today?
It's cooling.
Cooling?
Yeah. I wouldn't say it's cold.
Not cold?
But it's cool enough.
Damn, I feel like going in. But as we continue our tour, this is the pool area, and this is the bar that I've spent the last few nights having some drinks while I'm trying to rest and recover. Yeah, they got Red Horse, all the goodies. So apparently the indoor pool might be in here. Is that it? That's it. It looks like it's under construction. Here we go. Special access. Oh wow, okay. So yeah, we did hear it's not actually clean at the moment. But yeah, tinge of green, but that's nice. That is nice. This is the original pool from the mansion. All right, the cat tamer. Can she play with the stray cat? Good luck, shit.
Yeah, I've had a nice.
Let's go out on the street.
You're from the street.
Is this a real castle?
That one.
That one, it's a real castle.
Yes, sir.
But this part here is an add-on.
This one is
new.
just created to blend with the
To blend in, awesome. So there you go, half fiction, half reality. So this part here, that is fake. This part here, real. Must be wondering, who is this girl? Now I can either introduce her or she can introduce herself. What would you like to do?
I'd like to hear you.
Okay, this is Ari, and she is a Filipino local. I know you might think that she's sounds very Australian or American, but she has never been there. She's lived her whole life here. So we are in Iloilo, which is her town, and we are going to hit the streets and see what we can find. No idea what we're going to do today. We will find something interesting. Let's go. I got no idea. Where are we going? I don't know.
I have no idea.
We're going to go somewhere. Hey, how are you? God, do I have money on me? Hopefully you've got money. I didn't even bring money. This is what the sugar mama is for. Do you have money on you?
We're gonna do fake taxi, literally.
Fake taxi. Hello, is this a real taxi or a fake taxi? So we've just spotted an old steam train in a park over here. So we've asked the taxi driver to stop. So here is the steam train, and we have some lovely background music. I was looking for a plaque on it so I could give you a bit of history, but what we're going to do, we're going to put Ari on the spot and she's going to tell us about the history of this steam train.
Train.
Train. Okay. Well, we are in the old steam train. Oh, it's rusting away. Have a look at this. Can't be stepping on that. But yeah. Can you imagine this thing used to ride? Oh my God, that window is so small. But here we are up on the steam train. This is the old chimney pipe where the steam used to come out of. Here's another one here as well. I'm not sure if that's original, but yeah, all little bits and pieces. There's two kinds of dogs in this world. Crazy dogs from the street and nice, well looked after ones. Hello, that's a lovely dog you got over there. Oh, whoops. We'll give him some privacy, hey? But yeah, very nice dog. This is Jose Rizal, the national hero here in the Philippines. And I would love to give you some bit of research and background about this national hero, but they have this really odd, weird music cranking in the park. It doesn't even suit the scene. I don't know what it is. What's this music?
Kind of bossa nova.
If you could show me one thing in Iloilo that stands out for you, I'll just come down here so I'm on your level. What would it be? Surely there's something around here. You are promoting your city after all.
One place.
One place or two.
In Iloilo.
In Iloilo. She can't show me anything.
I'm showing you something.
What did you show me?
Can I say it? I'm not gonna say anything. I think like we can go to Fort San Pedro and then check out like the street food scene.
Okay.
It's by the bay.
Fort San Pedro, street food. Yep, awesome. Let's go. Let's go there. Hello, my friend. Yeah, let's go.
No.
Hey, buddy. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Wow, so this guy's going to pedal us there. Usually with the trikes which you saw, they're connected to a motorbike, but not this guy. This guy works hard for his money. He's going to pedal us there. Oh my God.
Do you want me on your lap or something?
My ass is so big. I can just fit in here.
I'm not even like breathing right now.
All right, so he's going for it. But yeah, this part's interesting. What's the go with this place? It just like we went from sort of city, and this is like real
residential.
Yeah, residential, real chilled backstreet kind of vibe. Okay, we're getting off here. Let's go. Maybe we can get invited into someone's house. Wow, look at this place. It's like a little shop. Hello. How are you?
How are you?
Is this a shop or is this a house? Hello.
Yeah.
I come in peace.
Okay.
I come in peace. How are you?
Hi.
What is this? You're renovating?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Have a look at this. So they're building. They're currently building it. They got all the bamboo. This is sort of like. Oh wow! And you're the builder.
Yeah.
Wait, this is not your house, or you're building it for them?
For business.
Wow! Have a look at this. They're
little
building.
business.
They're building brand new with the bamboo.
Bamboo, yeah.
Native style.
Native style. I like it. So, ask them if they use it because it's a cheaper building material, or they go for that traditional look.
Ang ginagamit nyo ang Hawaiian kay mas barato. Kung kay
Yeah.
gusto nyo ang
Cheapest.
I like
Cheaper?
Cheapest
But-
and
But it looks good.
yeah.
It looks good because it fits in.
nice to look.
Yeah, nice to look.
Native is good.
And
Native.
completely waterproof. Not the rain won't get in. No rain.
Rain, no.
No. Wow, here is the man in action. Wow, what's this old place? It's like this old factory. Once a prominent business, now just left as ruins. Marina.
Marina building, yeah. Seaman.
Can you give us a bit of history about this building? We're trying to work out what it was.
Ma'am, marunong magtagalog.
Let's go explore. So we've got this huge old tank, which I think that was potentially like a railway. Oh, hello. Is he friendly? Maybe. He looks cute. Hello. Hello. He's chained up, so we just don't mess with these kind of dogs these days. That's what I said. We don't mess with them. Oh my God, check out the power lines down here. It's like every time someone wants a telephone cable, they just add a new one. Have a look.
We're going.
Hello, my friend. We're just walking at the moment. Just walking, exploring. Hello, how are you?
Hello, sir.
From country, ma'am.
Australia. Australia. Nice to meet you anyway.
Filipina, ma'am.
Ilongga.
She's in a longer. Hello. Wow, so we've just like come into this little community. There's a little church here. There's little shops and stuff, and a big basketball game happening here. Okay, ready? Hey! We are gonna go down this little alleyway here. Oh, full crowd. Hey, buddy. Oh, it's like a little corner shop. Hello. Can you please be really nice and buy me a drink? I'm so thirsty.
Oh, you want water?
Maybe something a bit naughty.
You want some
Bit of
ice
sugar.
pop?
Do you sell cobra? 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 No cobra. No cobra. Cobra is my favorite these days. What about a royal? Royal. Oh, they're throwing up some gang symbols. Yeah.
Oh, that's one
Wow, what is that?
It's royal.
Oh,
Royal.
why do they do it in this bag? Because you need to return the bottle.
Yeah, because you have to pay for the bottle. Thank you. Thank you, Gita.
Okay, so everyone in the Tondo vlog complained that I did not return my RC Cola bottle. You can't say anything this time. I have a bag with a straw in it. Let's review it. So first comment, it's actually hard to drink. I feel like I'm going to spill it. And we've got about 50 kids around us, but I reckon we go down here. Yeah? See what's down here. Oh! Gonna take my head off. This is really hard to drink. How do you do it? We need the professional. What do you do?
You suck on it. How are you supposed to drink it? Like that?
So we've just found out we can actually get to the port. We can get to the port from this way?
Yeah, go left.
Okay, you direct us. She's just stolen my royal.
Because you don't know how to suck on it.
This is actually really hard because you have to try to hold the bag so you don't drop it, but you've also got to like, you're clamping the straw at the same time, so it just makes it really hard. Yeah, I got the gist of it. All right, let's go to the port. There seems to be this game that everyone's playing here. Hello, cards, bit of gambling, stuff like that. And then you've got all these little shops in here. Wow, okay. Let's continue through. Hey, oh, they've all got the bleached hair. Bleached hair.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So this is Zari taking over because you know, Mark is doing hair and makeup. So I'll take you. And hi.
The world famous vlogger. How did you go?
I don't know what you're meant to be, right?
How did you go? All right, and we're just like that. We're back out on the streets. Wow, So it's just crazy to think that all of these places here would have, yeah, these little mazes that we've just seen through here. So we've come out here and we're looking for the port, and we can't find it anywhere. There's like, what have we got? 3 different she's walking in the camera. We've got like 3 different directions to go, and yeah, we don't know which way. Take a look at this. It's like a mini jeepney. It's like a real Jeep. It's like, you know, the big jeepneys you see, but just a real compact version.
It's called
Check it.
Pajero.
It's called a
Pajero.
Pajero.
Yeah.
Wow, looks like it's semi-dumped. Not even being used, but I like it.
Let's go with a fake Pajero.
So it appears that we are a little bit too early for the street food. They're still setting up, but the water down here is beautiful. Oh shit, nearly getting run over. Okay, so that's a big problem that happens to me. I'm so used to checking the other directions in Australia because we drive on different sides of the road, but I still haven't got used to it. But yeah, have a look at this. We are at Iloilo Beach. There's not much sand. Is this the nicest sort of water spot here?
It's not really a water spot, but it's a port.
It is. Oh, it's a port.
Yeah. Because people come here to fish.
Wow, it's so windy down here on this little port area here, but if we look over here, this is Gimmerus. Everyone knows Gimmerus. We've got some fishermen here. How we doing, fishermen? Good? Good?
Nothing fish.
No good? No fish today?
No fish.
Okay, let's have a look at the end here. There you go, Gimmerus. So we are right here at Port San Pedro. And once upon a time, this was their grand piece right here. The statue of Jesus right here looking over the port. As you can see, they've fenced off this whole area. The whole place is just falling apart. All these columns have just rusted out. And we've even got sort of a homeless guy living over here. So it's, yeah, this area has seen better days. Alright guys, I think we'll leave it there. Just a quick one today. Don't know how it's going to turn out. Feeling a bit rusty and I'm tired. And they're not stopping for you. I'm going to jump on this deluxe jeepney